Hello everyone. So till now we have seen the concept of Coulomb's law and the electric field intensity. Also we have seen the different kind of charge distributions and the electric field intensity due to the different kinds of charge distributions. Okay, and so also and ahead of that, if we'll see in the topic of electrostatic. Okay, so now if we'll take an example, that if we'll take a particular you can say a point charge which is near to a unit test charge, we can say. Okay, so what it happens that this unit test charge will experience some force. Okay, and the direction of this force basically we can define by some kind of flux lines. Okay, but in a case if we have different kind of charge distributions, or we can say if we have several or different charges distributions, and if there is a force is occurring, or we can say this charges experiences a force, so it is very difficult to tell their magnitude and the direction. So basically we need a kind of specific lines of forces which tells about the vector field. तो ये हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं स्ट्रीम लाइंस में. सो नाउ वी लुक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द डिफरेंट वेक्टर इक्वेशन for the electric field intensity resulting from several different charge distribution. We had a little difficulty in interpreting the direction and magnitude of the field from the equations. Okay, मैं इसको एक बार फिर से पढ़ता हूँ. The different vector equation for the electric field intensity resulting from several different charge distributions. ठीक है, तो यदि हमारे पास सेवरल चार्जेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस हैं और यदि हम उसमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, सो जो भी हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का इक्वेशन निकलेगा, ओके, सो नाउ it will be little bit difficulty to identify the direction and the magnitude of the field from the equations. Okay, so now we can sort out this by from the second point. The lines which shows only the direction of a vector field such as electric field intensity, electric flux density, magnetic field intensity or magnetic flux density as known as the stream lines. These lines are also known as the flux lines or the direction lines. Means we can say the lines which shows only the direction of a vector field, only the direction of the vector field. So those lines are known as the stream lines, such as we can say electric field intensity, magnetic flux density, and this is the electric flux density, magnetic field intensity, and the magnetic flux density. So this kinds of a vector which shows only the direction of a particular vector field. Okay, and these lines are known as the stream lines, or we can say these are the flux lines or the direction lines. These lines are drawn from the source of a vector field and everywhere tangent to the vector field. Okay, equation of streamlines for the electric field intensity. So now ultimately मैं आपको बोलूँ तो यदि मान लीजिए न्यूमेरिकल इस टॉपिक से हमारे क्वेश्चंस में आता है तो हमें इन इक्वेशंस का यूज़ करना होगा. तो यहाँ पर मैंने तीनों ही कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, यदि हम बात करें कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, हम बात करें यहाँ पर सिलेंड्रिकल कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, या हम बात करें स्फेरिकल कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, तो फॉर ऑल दिस थ्री कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम आई हैव डन द इक्वेशन. सो बेसिकली हम बात करें तो हमको ये इक्वेशन को ध्यान में रखना है फॉर द न्यूमेरिकल एस्पेक्ट्स. आइए देखते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्या बोल रहा है, ई एक्स बाई डी एक्स, ई वाई बाई डी वाई और ई जेड बाई डी जेड. दिस इज़ फॉर वी कैन से दिस इज़ फॉर द कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. We can say this is for the Cartesian coordinate system, right? Next we can say E rho by D rho or equal to E phi by rho D phi equal to E z by D z. So basically we can say this is for cylindrical coordinate system, right? And ER by DR equal to E theta by R D theta equal to E phi by R sin theta D phi. So basically this is for, we can say this is for spherical coordinate system. Okay, so these are the streamline equation streamlined equation for the electric field intensity for the different coordinate systems. So as per the numerical will apply there. Okay, so this is about the streamlines. Okay, and their equations. In the next video I will take numerical, so this equations will be very clear that how we'll apply this equation into the numerical. Thank you.